Certo versus Dr.Fone usage experience. In this video, we'll compare Certo and Dr.Fone, two highly rated data recovery and mobile management tools. Links to both products are included in the description for your convenience. Let's dive into the key features, benefits, and differences between these two solutions. Certo is primarily an iPhone data recovery tool, but it also offers some strong privacy management features. Its main strength lies in its ability to recover lost data, like photos, messages, contacts, and app data, directly from iPhones, iCloud, and iTunes backups. One unique aspect of Certo is its focus on security and privacy. The software allows you to manage app permissions, remove sensitive data, and even hide apps, making it a great choice for users concerned about privacy. It's user-friendly, with a straightforward interface that makes data recovery simple, especially for iPhone users who want an easy, reliable solution. Dr.Fone, on the other hand, offers a much more extensive range of features and supports both iOS and Android devices. It's a comprehensive mobile management tool that not only covers data recovery, but also offers features like system repair, phone backup, phone transfer, and data erasure. Dr.Fone supports the recovery of various data types, such as photos, videos, contacts, messages, and app data, and works on both iPhones and Androids, making it a versatile option for users with multiple devices. One of its standout features is the ability to recover data from damaged or broken phones, which is a big advantage for users dealing with unresponsive devices. Dr.Fone also supports social media app data recovery, including WhatsApp, which is particularly useful for those who rely on messaging platforms. In summary, Certo is a solid choice for iPhone users who want a simple and secure solution for recovering data and managing privacy. Dr.Fone, with its broader compatibility and advanced features like device repair and backup options, is the better choice for users who need a more versatile tool, especially if they're dealing with both iOS and Android devices or need more advanced recovery features. Check out the description for links to both products and more details.